What is up, guys? Thank you back for tuning into another video. We are here with my girl right there. We got the Mustang right here. We are installing a windshield banner today. I did pick up the banner a couple days ago, so let's go ahead and hop into that. What is up, guys? Thank you back for tuning into another video. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and consider doing so, because I really do appreciate all the love and support. And while you are there subscribing, you can might as well hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date and alerted to all my videos that will drop here shortly, since I do have a couple cosmetic mods coming in for the Mustang. So I'm currently on my way to Summit Auto Parts. I'm gonna go pick up some vinyl work that I ordered for my windshield that's gonna go right here on the banner. As you can see, I got this tinted strip right here, but I ordered a matte black vinyl that's gonna cover this whole thing, the length from there to there. And I ordered some glossy black letters that's gonna go on the overlay. It's gonna look kind of similar to It's Just a 6. Oh, dude, I'm gonna miss my exit. Okay. I'm gonna miss my exit, dude. Oh, I did miss my exit. Bruh, I missed my exit while talking onto the camera. I feel pretty dumb. I never really missed my exit, and I just remember like right when I was there. So unfortunately, I did miss it, but no big deal, guys. I can always go ahead and just turn back around. Good thing I caught it on time and not too far away where I was all the way past it and have to keep going all the way straight, blah 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 blah. I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Ruben, guys. He's from Hutto, Texas, right on the outskirts of Austin, and he has a really nice scat pack, guys. I'm gonna leave a link down to his channel down below. And it's crazy how literally 7 days ago from today, he had a video posted talking about how he afforded his scat pack at the age of 18, and in a 5-month span it had like 11,000 views, and all of a sudden 7 days ago it just started popping off, and he woke up from 11,000 views in 5 months to 19,000 views, then 23,000 views, and his channel just started growing and growing and growing. And at the time he had like 600 subscribers, and right now he's already passed me in 7 days or less. He already passed me. He's about to hit 4,000 subscribers, and I want to give you a huge shout out to him, man. Like he's been a day one supporter, and I've known him since we both had under 400 subscribers, and it's just crazy, man. I want to see all my friends eat. He's making a lot of things happen with that scat pack, man. In a 1 week span, he got like his Hellcat red eye wing, his wicker belt for his Hellcat quad tips, a diffuser, and so on, which is absolutely amazing, guys. That's what I want to start doing to this Mustang. I want to start modding it cosmetically wise, which is what I'm gonna do, because next week I have one of my first sponsors coming in. Right now we are currently pulling up to Summit Auto Parts Racing Equipment right here in Arlington, Texas, meeting up with the guy, a local vinyl work dude. So I do want to order some carbon fiber parts for the steering wheel trim right here, guys, off of Dyna Performance on Instagram. And yes, I know these buttons are a bit peeled off, but I mean, that's just with the time of the vehicle and the previous owner, since we did get this car pre-owned. And I was gonna order this whole piece right here, but I'm gonna just leave it the way that is. I like the way it looks, and I'm gonna get carbon fiber for this right here. I'm gonna wrap this right here in the gloss black vinyl. But I would do carbon fiber all this, but I don't want to get too much carbon fiber. And I do have my GoPro head strap right here, because since there is a lot that needs to be done today. I have a couple things coming in the mail next week for the vehicle. I have a Z01 add-ons wicker belt that's gonna go on the stock OEM spoiler, and I need to wrap this wheel right here black once again, but it's just been raining, so I haven't had time to do that. And I do have the stuff to do the oil change, which I need to do that here soon as well. But this rain, dude, this rain is just killing it for me right now. And I guess I'm just waiting for him to pull up. I already got the text message that he's already on the way. So like I said, hit him up on Instagram for all your vinyl works if you're in the DFW area, and I will see you guys here shortly. Peace. I have the merchandise, guys. It's a matte black finish. I ordered it 10 inches thick to have like 2 inches of overlay, just so I can get my cut and whatnot. And the decal is in there somewhere right there, guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the rest of the vlog and stay tuned, dude. So we are covering up the visor today, guys. This visor that is a window tint. We're doing it with the matte black background with the gloss black letters that I ordered from a friend that does local vinyl work, which his Instagram is at TTSDecals on Instagram. I will leave a link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and order some decals and banners off of him, help his business out. So now that I got that nice and clean, guys, I do have the visor right here. which is in a matte black finish with the gloss black letters, which is in there as I had mentioned previously. And I did pick up this very nice squeegee film tint kit that I got from AutoZone for the price of $4.99, which after tax was like $5.49 or whatever. But I did pull the top down simply to make it more easier. I'm gonna have somebody up here hold the banner up here so I can line down the bottom part of the strip with the window tint, and then kind of just lay it up down and then do half and then the other half and so on, etc. So let's go ahead and hop into the process. So the visor strip is about 8 inches. I measured it, but I got 2 inches simply so I can cut the rest of it so it'll lay properly, nice and evenly. Oh, dude, it's freaking dope in the sun. It's still looking pretty cool. But I just have the 12 vlogs right here in the gloss black as I mentioned. Now try to line up the bottom piece. Make sure I have enough space. Alright. You good on that side? You have enough?
Yeah, I have plenty of space.
Okay, line up the middle part. Why are we making this so hard?
Like 3 or 4 arms.
So.
Should have waited, bro.
Huh? What the fuck? I didn't think this was gonna be that hard.
Oh god.
Nice. See guys, it wasn't that bad. Okay, so we're now going to proceed to cutting after we just failed very nicely to try to put the matte black vinyl on there.
Son, hurry, you're too fucking far. Give me the camera, come here. You're too far.
And you have an ugly ass face.
You're too far, come here.
Nice. Nice. We are proceeding to putting on the letters. Hopefully it'll cover up some of the mistakes we made. But we're currently just using some of this masking tape right here, man. We're gonna just kind of, I guess, measure it out, make sure everything is nice. Hey, what you doing, kid? Okay, so now that we got the measurement from there to there, the windshield banner, obviously, we are going to measure this, but we're not going to measure it. We're actually going to fold it in half, just like this, and that's going to give us exactly the middle, according to my calculations, right? Now that we got it nice and figured it out, guys, we got it right in the center, we're going to grab a piece of masking tape. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna lay this. Okay. We're gonna lay this right here. Just like shit. So now we're going to start off by peeling off from the transfer tape. But now all there is to do is remove the transfer tape, and I guess we just gotta see what it comes out like. I'm gonna make sure everything is nice and laid out properly. You're gonna see a couple bubbles on the transfer tape, but that's normal because it's just the transfer tape that has air in it. But I guess it's time to see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks absolutely sick. And I did get a couple bubbles and stuff, but I mean, it's just part of the process. My first time ever doing something like this. We will absolutely get better on it. We did struggle, so if there's one thing I could recommend, just go get it professionally done. But here, short vlogs, dude, we don't care. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little install, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, hit the like button, share, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys here shortly. Peace.